The red thing's flashing.
Look at him, give me a brimming. What are you doing, Ron? What are you doing, Ron? Just kiss. Just kiss, Mum. You're daft, isn't you? Hey? What are you doing, Ron? Hey? Oh. What? Yeah, Ron. Hey? Daft, Ron. Aren't you? Hey? What? You can look at that, Ron. You can look at that. Look at that, Ron. Bit of air conditioning. Hey? What are you doing? Alright? You like that head to rub, don't you? Rub and down. Yeah, Ron. Yeah. I've got better things to do, Ron, to be honest with you. Yeah. Time for bed, I think. For you.
You're up a bit late tonight again, aren't you, boy? Hey? Oh, Ronnie boy. Up a bit late. You'll enjoy a bit of a rest when Daddy comes back and puts you to bed at 9:30.
Bed for you, boy. Come on, let's put you to bed. We've got enough excitement for one day.
Night, night, Ronnie boy.
Come on. Flipping heck, I'll have a hunchback by the time I'm finished with you. Come on. Put you to bed.
There's the old budgies up there. Old Ben on top of his cage.
There you go, Ron.
Bill inside.
There you go. Ron, you don't want to go to bed. Ron, step up. You don't want to go to bed.
Oh, Ronnie boy don't want to go to bed. He wants to stay up on Kevin's shoulder.
Oh, come on, Ron.
It's 11:15. Well past his bedtime.
Step up. You will step up.
Jack shut.
Right, Ron. There you go. In you go.
Off to bed, Ronnie boy.
Go on. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
He's gone back in his cage.
He's going back in his cage. He's been a good boy. Yeah, he's been a good boy. Right, I'll bid you good night, Ron. I've had enough of you.
Night night, Ronnie boy. See you in the morning.
See you in the morning, boy.
Night night. He's a good boy. Switch it off, huh?
Well, Ron, bedtime for you, boy.
See you in the morning, you little monkey. Yes, you.